How to clean a toaster. Toasters are usually covered with fingerprints and smudgy surfaces on the outside, with lots of dirt and breadcrumbs on the inside due to frequent use. This is a perfect environment for bacteria or microorganism growth as well as mold infestation. The accumulation of this dirt and crumbs affects the overall function of the appliance. This can lead to burnt bread, emanating foul smell, and fire. Cleaning your toaster should form part of your regular kitchen cleaning routine. The method you use and how frequently you clean your toaster varies. It depends on the toaster model and how many times you use it. Cleaning supplies: dishwashing soap, water, white vinegar, baking soda, toothbrush or pantry brush, soft sponge, dishcloth or microfiber cloth, nail polish optional. Let's get started. 1. Unplug the toaster from the wall socket to prevent electrocution. 2. Transfer the toaster to a wider surface like on your countertop for easy cleaning. 3. Shake the toaster and turn it upside down over the sink or garbage can to remove crumbs and leftover debris. 4. Use a new toothbrush or pantry brush to gently scrub the interiors of the appliance. For better results and to remove any foul smell from within your toaster, make a paste using white vinegar and baking soda. Use your toothbrush damped with the paste to scrub the interiors of the toaster. Then, clean with a wet microfiber cloth, and allow it to dry. 5. Lift the toaster and remove the detachable crumb tray if your model comes with one. 6. Shake the leftover crumbs into the sink. 7. Wash the tray with a soft sponge and dishwashing soap. 8. Rinse it with clean water. 9. Wipe the tray with a microfiber cloth and allow it to dry properly before putting it back in the toaster. For toasters without a detachable crumb tray, simply turn the appliance upside down and shake very well. This should remove all leftover crumbs. 10. Gently clean the exteriors of the appliance with a dishcloth dampened with dishwashing soap, water, and vinegar solution. This will remove stains and fingerprints. 11. Wipe it with a clean dishcloth. If this does not completely clean the smudgy surfaces, paint the stained spots with nail polish, and allow it to dry. That's it. Your toaster is sparklingly clean and ready for use. How often do you clean the toaster? This depends on how frequently you use it. However, it's advisable you deep clean your toaster at least once every month. Then shake off loose crumbs from the toaster and detachable crumb tray weekly. This is to prevent the accumulation of dirt. Make sure you clean the exteriors as well. It's easier if you clean as you go. That is immediately after each use or at the end of each day. You will save yourself a whole lot of work and equally help your toaster function optimally. Safety precautions. 1. Ensure you unplug your toaster before cleaning. 2. Use a wet cloth or toothbrush to clean the interiors of the toaster. This is to prevent liquid from getting to the bottom of the appliance. 3. After washing the detachable crumb tray, allow it to dry properly before putting it back in the toaster. 4. Do not use a rough sponge or harsh cleaning agent to scrub the interiors or exteriors of your toaster. 5. Don't shake or hit the toaster and crumb tray too hard because they are fragile. 6. Do not clean the heating element so that it won't malfunction. 7. After cleaning, readjust the toaster dial to your desired temperature. You might have touched it unconsciously. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button. Then turn on your notifications so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment so we can know your thoughts and check the description below for more details. Don't forget to visit our website www.zimtoasters.com for more awesome toaster content like this.